Hello 5th class. Okay, page 123, question 13 by special request. Ariana ate 0.45 of the grapes and Alex ate 35% of them. Okay, so straight off I can see that I've got a decimal and a percentage, so that doesn't really help my thoughts. I need to make them the same thing. Okay, so Ariana ate 0.45. Or if I put that as a percentage, that's 45%. And then Alex, his is already a percentage, he ate 35% of them, so let's put that underneath. So this is all the grapes that were eaten, 45% and 35%. Let's add that and see how many were eaten. 5 and 5 is 10, carry my 1, 4, 7, 8. So 80% of the grapes have been eaten. It tells me that there are 18 grapes left in the container. Now, I know that if 80% were eaten, then what's left must be 20%. So 18 grapes is 20%. How do I find 100% of the grapes? That's what I need to find. So if I multiply 20% by 5, I get 100%. Multiply 18 by 5. 5 eighths are 40, carry my 4. 5 ones are 5 and 4 is 90. So at the beginning, in the container, before Alex and Ariana got their hands on them, there were 90 grapes.